In this video, I'm going to show you how to report your Cash App card if it's stolen. Later in this video, I'll also share my favorite service for transferring money internationally with low fees. First of all, open your Cash App and go to the Cash Card section from the main screen. This is where you manage your card settings. The first thing you should do is lock your Cash App card immediately to prevent any unauthorized use while you handle the issue. After that, scroll down and tap on Get Card Support. Then select Report Card Issue. Next, choose the option that says Card Stolen or Card Missing. This will report your card and help secure your account by disabling it. Once you complete these steps, your Cash App card will be successfully reported and secure. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.